provisions put aside for closure are nowhere near enough. They're underestimated by hundreds of millions of dollars, and in some cases, billions of dollars. Closure is a line item, and that's the traditional way of looking at it. Time and time again, we see corporations say, no, we'll leave that to the end until we figure out what we're going to do and how we're going to do it. But it's too late. If you design your closure or your transition to a certain endpoint and a key stakeholder comes in and says, no, I don't like that, it's too late to change. And if you have to change it, that's where it costs hundreds of millions of dollars and even billions of dollars to sort out. Closure has been treated as a liability, a cost to the bottom line. And when companies are looking for that next opportunity, next development, as they go through the final investment decision or FID, and typically those costs come in after that facility, that operation has been making a profit. So it's a direct cost to the impact to the bottom line. So it's switching that mindset from closure being a liability and a cost to the bottom line to the transition to a potential asset or unlocking the potential value at closure. So looking at different options down the track and going back to the boardroom or the FID decision making process, what senior management should be doing is asking their teams the question around closure. What options have you looked at for closure? Okay, you've given me this one line item, but we're typically finding that's underestimated. What additional options have you looked at down the track so that we can either break even during closure or transition to another valuable asset? And valuable can be a net environmental benefit, it can be a social benefit, or it can be a monetary benefit as well.
Learn more with Nexus. Published by GHD, where ideas connect.